Today we have a new client, carpenters starting from scratch. And what does that mean? It's they don't currently have a LinkedIn profile or presence set up, which isn't uncommon. I'd say maybe 25%, maybe a little bit less than that of our clients don't actually have any sort of history with LinkedIn before coming to us to start marketing and pick up projects and clients and form partnerships and relationships. So the beauty of it is, even if you haven't been introduced, you've been inactive on that platform for a significant period of time, you can literally come in with nothing, no track record, no history, no brand, no followers, no connections, anything, and start to have an immediate impact. In some ways, it can be an advantage because you can start building up a very deliberate network instead of having a network that's all over the place, that's tailored towards the strategy and outcome that you're trying to achieve. So it's fun. It is a little bit slower pace sometimes in the first few days while we build up those initial connections and get through a couple of the teething restrictions that LinkedIn has. But generally, anyone that we've started with a new account, we still see results and opportunities open up in that first week, which is really exciting. So if you're looking for a platform that doesn't require any advertising spend, you don't have to have a history or track record or existing presence on, and can get fast results, then LinkedIn's certainly one of those platforms that offers that. So feel free to check in. We've got tons of free content floating around. Happy to send it all to you. It's all on YouTube, over 40 odd videos or something. So you can learn from there for free if you want. And if you want more personalized support, happy to catch and pitch. So I thought I'd just drop that update and let you know that it's fine to start from scratch on LinkedIn. Have a great day.